Hi everyone, my name is Sabina from Eli-Chem Resins, and today we're going to show you something really cool. This is Natasha. She is an artist who is going to show you how easy it is to cover this piece of artwork with clear resin.
Thanks, Sabina. Here's one of my abstract paintings on canvas, and I'm going to be coating it in MasterCast 1:1 clear resin.
Here's a list of what you will need. MasterCast 1:1 Clear Artwork Resin, a mixing tool which comes free with the kit, a plastic mixing container, a blowtorch or even a hairdryer will do, a cloth just in case of spillage, protects your work from surface from spills, disposable gloves, and of course your artwork. Step 1. Measure out equal parts of resin and hardener in a 1:1 mixed ratio. Step 2. Stir for 3 minutes. Take care to scrape the inside walls of the mixing container to get all resin mixed. Step 3. Pour the resin over your artwork and you will notice how the colours become more vibrant and seem to pop and jump out at you. Step 4. Use a flat edge spreader to coat the surface uniformly. Step 5. Pass hot air from a blowtorch or even a hairdryer over the resin to remove mixing bubbles. The resin will take about 4 to 8 hours to dry, depending on ambient temperature. While we are waiting for this to dry, here are some other pieces coated with our resin. Key benefits of MasterCast. Suitable for all use on all artistic surfaces, for example canvas, cardboard, wood, MDF and photographs. Formulated with the most up-to-date polymer technology, user-friendly, solvent-free, zero odour, non-flammable, easy mix ratio, UV stable to prevent premature yellowing, suitable for air, sea and road freight. Preserve and protect your artwork for future generations to admire.
Here's the final result. What do you think?
Wow, I really like it. The colours, the vibrant, just everything works. Thank you, Natasha. And now here's something really exciting. It's a preview of our next video. Check it out. Bring your artwork to life in the dark.